Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You're starting with essentials. Confirm your iPhone model supports NFC and that you're running a recent iOS. Turn on airplane mode for 10 seconds, then turn it off to reset radios. This often clears temporary radio faults. Once done, force quit the app you're using for tags and reopen it. Make sure the tag is compatible and not damaged. These first actions reset state and remove obvious software blocks so hardware can be tested immediately. Now isolate the problem. Use the Control Center's NFC tag reader to see if the phone detects tags outside any app, because that tells you if hardware is responsive. If tags aren't detected, perform a full restart. Hold the side button and a volume button, slide to power off, then start again to clear deeper system caches. If that does not work, reset network settings. It refreshes cellular, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth stacks that sometimes interfere with NFC. Make sure to back up Wi-Fi passwords first. Finish by updating iOS. Many NFC bugs are fixed in updates, so install the latest release and reboot. Test again with multiple known good NFC tags or contactless cards to rule out a bad tag. If NFC still fails after software fixes and tests, run Apple Diagnostics or schedule an Apple Store appointment. There may be a hardware fault with the NFC antenna. One key troubleshooting tip: always verify tags with another iPhone or NFC reader first. It prevents unnecessary repairs and saves time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.